Okay, ma'am, we'll start the session. What we discussed in the previous session? What we discussed in the previous session? Can anyone please respond? We have seen how to construct the push-down automata, is it not? Is anybody having doubt regarding how to construct the push-down automata? Please respond, any one of you. Rishita, Sheshu, Nalini, 53. Are you there in the session, ma'am? Am I audible? Okay, today we will discuss about equivalence of CFG and PDA, which means how can we convert the CFG into PDA? Conversion of CFG into PDA. How can we convert the given context-free grammar into push-down automata? Can anyone tell me how can we represent the context-free grammar? We can represent the context-free grammar in the form of a productions. For example, assume you are having A2 alpha. Is it a context-free grammar or not? Yes, this is in the form of a productions. If A2 alpha is a prediction, then how can we write this? Means initially nothing is there in my stack. So epsilon on A it is going to give me, another state, that is Q. What it is producing? Andar respond avvalamma. What it is producing? What capital A is producing? If you are not responding means I'll put you as absent. What A is producing?
Alpha, ma'am.
Alpha. So it will retrieve the value alpha, right? So this is the thing we have to apply in the conversion of context-free grammar to push-down automata. We'll see with one example. Suppose, for example, they have given you the language L is equals to A power n, B power n, where n greater than or equals to 0. First, we have to construct the CFL for this. CFL means n greater than or equals to 0 means n may be 0, which may lead to epsilon, or the number of A's or B's are common. Same, the number of A's and the number of B's are same. So first it may retrieve the epsilon or single A, single B. In between you may have any number of A's or you may not have any number of A's and B's. So can I write like this, the CFL? Does it generate the language L? Is this production generates the language L? Say yes or no, ma.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So for this example, we have to construct the push-down automata. How can we construct the push-down automata? All of you observe carefully. Initially, first I'm writing the productions. Initially, I'm assuming Q naught. Okay, parallelly we'll draw the diagram too. So Q naught is the initial state. Jarthaga observe chesthe ardhamautundi. So first what I am passing? The starting symbol. What is the starting symbol here? What is the starting symbol here? Already inside the stack, you don't have anything. You are not passing any terminals. And what is the starting symbol here? Q naught comma epsilon comma starting symbol is A. So starting symbol A I am passing. What you will get simply, already inside the stack you are having Z naught, no? So you will get A Z naught. Any confusion here? Any confusion here?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Next, I'm going to the next state Q1. I'm going to the next state Q1. So in this state, what it is generating? What is the starting symbol? What A is producing? What A is, top of the symbol is A, no? Now you have pushed A into the stack. Top of the symbol is A. What is the next symbol you are seeing here? What is the next symbol you are seeing here? Simply it is small a, and the top of the stack is capital A. And the top of the stack is capital A. What will you get? What will you get? Simply A comma A, it will give you ఈ A ని తీసేసేయండి అమ్మా. ఈ A మీద మీకు ఏం జనరేట్ అవుతుంది? రిమైనింగ్ ఆర్ AB. Any confusion here? Any confusion here?
Ma'am, can you repeat?
సీమా ఇనిషియల్లీ అందుకే జాగ్రత్తగా వినండి. సో స్టార్టింగ్ స్టేట్ ఈస్ Q0 తీసుకున్నప్పుడు నా దగ్గర ఏం లేదు, నేను ఇంకా ప్రాబ్లమ్ స్టార్ట్ చేయలేదు. సో ఎప్సిలాన్ ఇన్పుట్ నేను ఎప్సిలాన్ అనుకుంటున్నాను. స్టార్టింగ్ సింబల్ ఏంటి ఇక్కడ మనకి? వాట్ ఈస్ ద స్టార్టింగ్ సింబల్ హియర్?
A, ma'am.
ఇట్ ఈస్ ఏ. సో ఏ తీసుకున్నాను. ఏ తీసుకున్నప్పుడు ఐఎమ్ జస్ట్ పుషింగ్ దిస్ into the stack. Only variables ni మాత్రమే మనం stack లోకి పుష్ చేస్తాం ఇక్కడ. సో capital A means yes, it is a variable. So I'm pushing into the stack. Pushing into the stack అన్నప్పుడు ఆల్రెడీ మనకి stack లో ఏముంటది? Z0 already ఉంది, which represents the empty stack, right? So A Z0. Any confusion up to this point?
No, ma'am. Clear.
No, right? Next, what A is producing? A is producing small a, capital A, B, right? Small a we will not push. Small a is a terminal. Terminal means simply on this terminal. So A, comma, what is the top of the stack? What is the top of the stack?
A, ma'am.
Capital A. So capital A, small a, comma, capital A. Small a part అయిపోయింది. Remaining A, ఇంకా ఏం మిగిలింది? A ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేసేది capital A and B మిగిలింది. Any doubt regarding this? Okay, ma.
Clear, ma'am.
Okay, ma. 1 second, you wait. First precondition for this language is, for this conversion is, the grammar should be in the GNF format. That point I missed. So whenever you are converting the CFG into PDA means the precondition for this is the grammar should be in the form of a GNF. What is GNF? Do you remember? What is GNF? Do you remember? What is GNF? Do you remember? గుర్తుందా, మర్చిపోయారా? GNF. GNF means if A to A alpha, A must be a terminal. A to A alpha, A must be a terminal and alpha belongs to, A belongs to terminal and alpha belongs to simply variable star. A to A alpha means small a belongs to terminal and alpha belongs to variable star. What is the question they have given to you? CFL is A tends to AAB or epsilon. So first I'll divide these predictions. A tends to AAB and A tends to epsilon. Now you tell me, ma, is this in the form of GNF? Is this in the form of GNF? Say yes or no. GNF అంటే ఏంటి? ఫస్ట్ టర్మినల్ తో స్టార్ట్ అయ్యి తర్వాత అన్ని వేరియబుల్స్ ఉండాలి. వేరియబుల్స్ ఉండాలి అంటే ఇక్కడ మళ్ళీ మనకి ఏముంది? టర్మినల్ ఉంది. And it should be free from epsilon productions. It should be free from epsilon productions means first we have to remove the epsilon production. If I remove the epsilon production, what I'll get? I'll get, if I place, simply it is AAB. If I place epsilon in place of A, what I'll get? Simply AB I'll get. Any confusion here?
No, ma'am.
Any confusion here? Next point is, here we are having two productions, A to AAB, A to EAB. Now, is it in GNF?
No, ma'am.
No. Is it in GNF?
No, ma'am.
No. So first we have to make them, we have to put the given values in the GNF format. GNF format means A tends to capital A. In place of small b, I'm taking capital B. So B tends to B. And capital A tends to again AB. Now is it in GNF?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it in GNF?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it in GNF?
Yes, ma'am.
Now tell me the predictions. A tends to AAB. A tends to simply AB. B tends to B. This is the given CFG, which is in the form of GNF. Now for this we have to construct the push down automata. Remember ma, always first you check whether the given grammar is in GNF format or not. If it is not in GNF, you make sure that put it in the GNF. Any doubt regarding this? Any doubt regarding this? ఇంతవరకు క్లియరా? ఇప్పుడు నేను డయాగ్రామ్ ఎలా కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ చేయాలో చెప్తాను. Am I clear with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Now observe carefully. Q naught. Initially I don't have anything, so epsilon, comma. Okay, already నాకు stack లో ఏముంది?
Z not.
Z naught ఉంది. ఇంతకు మించి నేను ఏమీ పుష్ చేయలేదు. Z naught. Epsilon comma Z naught. అంటే నేను ఏమీ స్టార్ట్ చేయలేదు. Epsilon comma Z naught. What is the starting symbol you want to push? What is the starting symbol you want to push? Simply A. So A already stack లో మనకి Z naught ఉంది. So A ఇప్పుడు నేను టాప్ ఆఫ్ ద స్టాక్. ఇంతవరకు ఎవరికైనా డౌట్ ఉందా? Is it clear, ma? Now A is generating what? A is generating what? Small a, capital A, B, right? Instead of this A, this is the stop of the symbol, no? Terminal first is, it is starting with terminal, no? So that terminal you consider, and the top of the stack is capital A. So ఈ టర్మినల్ తీసేసి రిమైనింగ్ వేరియబుల్స్ పార్ట్ ఉంది చూసారా, దాన్ని మొత్తాన్ని మీరు పుష్ చేసేయచ్చు స్టాక్ లోకి. దాన్ని మొత్తాన్ని మీరు పుష్ చేసేయచ్చు. సో విచ్ ఇస్ సింప్లీ.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
అవునా? Am I audible now? Am I audible, ma? Rishita, Nalini, am I audible? ఓకే మా భార్గవి. సీమా, మీరు రెస్పాండ్ అవ్వలేదు అంటే మీకు అర్థమవుతుందో లేదో కూడా నాకు అర్థం కాదు. మీకు రెస్పాండ్ అవడానికి అంత కష్టం ఏంటో నాకు అర్థం కావట్లే. మీరు రెస్పాండ్ అవ్వకపోతే మీరు ఫాలో అవుతున్నారా లేదా నాకు ఎలా అర్థమవుతుంది? ఇదేం థియరీ సబ్జెక్ట్ కాదు నేను చెప్పుకుంటూ వెళ్ళిపోవడానికి. అబ్జర్వ్ కేర్ఫుల్లీ. Again I'm repeating. A tends to, simply it is AAP. Now observe. First, I'm starting with Q naught. I don't have anything, simply epsilon, and the top of the stack is Z naught. And the top of the stack is Z naught. What do you want to push as your starting symbol? What do you want to push as your starting symbol? What will you push? Sharath, are you there?
Ma'am, can you repeat? I just got disconnected.
See, again I'm repeating. Simply, initially I don't have anything, so it is epsilon. And the top of the stack is Z naught. What is the starting symbol you want to push? What is the starting symbol here?
A.
So I'm pushing A. So I'm pushing A means what is the resultant value I'm having? Simply it is A Z naught. Now I have moved to Q1. In this state, okay, in this state, A is producing what? Is it producing any terminal? Yes, if it is producing any terminal, take the terminal A. And what is the top of the stack? What is the top of the stack?
A.
It is capital A. So simply it is capital A. Okay. A on small a, what it is producing, what are the variables you are having, you simply note it down. What are the variables you are having? You simply note it down. So in place of this A, I have pushed AB. In place of this A, I have pushed simply AB. Any doubt up to this point? Any doubt up to this point? No, right? Next, again A is not only producing capital A, capital B, it is producing only B also. So again on small a, okay, and the top of the stack is, again it is A only, and the top of the stack is again it is A only, it is producing B. It is simply producing B. Is anybody having doubt regarding this? Always remember, here you will get only the variable part. You will not get the terminals here. Okay. Next, A part is over. Next, this B is producing. Okay, what it is producing? Small b, it is producing small b, and the top of the stack, already you have pushed B, no, and the top of the stack is B. So B on B, what you are having after terminal B, you don't have anything. So simply you replace it with epsilon. Simply you replace it with epsilon. Am I clear with this? Next. So up to this point, we have covered everything. There are no more variables or terminals to push. So end of the stack is simply Z naught. So it will give you Z naught, and this is the final state. Am I clear with this? Am I clear with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, how can you check whether it accepts the string or not? Okay. How can you evaluate the string? That we will see. For example, here itself I'm considering. For example, assume the given string is, assume the given string is AABB, assume. Okay, given string is AABB, assume. Where you are starting at Q naught. Okay. Q naught, what is the given string to you? AABB, and the starting symbol is capital A, and the starting symbol is capital A. So Q naught, okay, simply it is AABB only. What A producing? What A producing? Can I take it like AAB? Can I take it like this? Capital A is producing AAB, no? So AAB. What is the top of the stack? Top of the stack is small a, and the string is also small a. If both matches, you simply pop it. Next, this is Q naught means Q1. Okay, next Q1 on ABB, it is simply AB. Next, on A, capital A. On A, capital A, you may consider A or AB. So I'm directly considering it like AB. Why? Because I don't want again A. So Q1 ఇక్కడ నుంచి చూడండి capital A నుంచి B. So simply AAB. Both top of the stack and the input symbol are same. You just pop it. Next Q1. This is BB. On capital B, what can you produce? On capital B, it is producing small b, no? So small b, capital B. You just pop it. Next to Q1, small b, capital B. You just pop it. Okay. Next to Q1, what you are having, simply epsilon, and at last you put it like a Z naught. Always the top of this, always the bottom of the stack is Z naught. So epsilon Z naught, what you will get? Final state you will get. So is this string acceptable or not? Is this string acceptable or not? Say yes or no, ma. Is this acceptable?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is nothing but the conversion of contest-free grammar to push-down automata. Now I'll give you one question, you solve it. Capital A tends to A, B, C, D. Capital A tends to A, B, C, D. So once again, I'm repeating, ma. First condition, you have to check for conversion of CFG to push-down automata. First, you check whether it is in GNF format or not. If it is in GNF, no need to do anything. If it is not in GNF, first you make sure that put the given grammar in the GNF format. Okay, after conversion of the given grammar into GNF, next you start the construction of PDA based on the given grammar. Am I clear with this? Will you able to do it? Andar try cheyandi, meeku raakapothe nenu cheptanu. Okay, ma? చేస్తున్నారా? ఈ ప్రాబ్లం కూడా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయాలి. ప్లీజ్ రెస్పాండ్, మా. Nalini?
Ma'am, explain, ma'am.
Okay. Simple thing, ma. Observe carefully. Initially, what is the top of the stack? It is Z naught, right? So first Q naught తీసుకోండి. మీరు ఏం తీసుకోకుండా స్టార్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు. ఓన్లీ టాప్ ఆఫ్ ద స్టాక్ Z naught. Now you are taking A. What you will do? You just simply push into the stack. అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది ఇది? A Z naught అవుతుంది. ఇంతవరకు ఏమన్నా డౌట్ ఉందమ్మా?
No, ma'am.
Now what is the terminal you are having? Simply it is A. Okay. Simply it is A. And what is the top of the stack? It is capital A. So A capital A. ఈ రెండు పోతే ఇంకేం మిగిలింది మీకు? Simply it is BCD. It will generate BCD. Okay. Next. Anything else here? Anything else here? We don't have any more symbols, no? BCD is not deriving anything. So simply you leave it. So epsilon comma Z naught will give you epsilon. Sorry, Z naught. This is nothing but the CFG to push down automata. ఏం లేదమ్మా, ఈ టర్మినల్ ని తీసుకోండి, దాని పక్కన ఉన్నది ఇక్కడ రాయండి. If it is a variable, simply we will push that into the stack. There are no more symbols. No more symbols, and the top of the stack, you assume it like Z0, then it is simply Z0 only. Clear, ma? We'll do one more problem. Then you may get the clarity. S tends to simply A. ఇది మీరు చెప్పండి, తర్వాత మీరు ఓన్గా చేయండి. AS, BS or A. ఇది మీరు చెప్తా ఉంటే నేను రాస్తా. చెప్పండి అమ్మా. నళిని, భార్గవి, నళిని.
Yes, ma'am.
చెప్పు. Q0. What is the top of the stack?
Z0.
So epsilon comma Z0. What is the first symbol you want to push into the stack?
S.
So what is the resultant you are having?
SZ0.
Yes, Z0. ఇంతవరకు ఏం డౌట్ లేదు కదా?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, chep next. Now, what is the terminal you are having?
A.
What is the top of the stack? Remove it. Yes. Okay. Next, what you are having after A? ఇంతవరకు అయిపోయింది. S on A, what it is producing?
AA, ma'am.
A. అర్థమైందమ్మా నళిని?
Yes, ma'am.
ఓకే, చెప్పమ్మా. నెక్స్ట్ చెప్పండి. వాట్ A on A, what it is producing now? A on A is producing. Seema, A comma S, you have written it like A. ఈ పార్ట్ అయిపోయింది. నెక్స్ట్ ఈ క్యాపిటల్ ఏ అని తీసుకుందాం. ఈ క్యాపిటల్ ఏ ఆన్ ఏ. ఓకే, సో
Capital A, ma'am.
స్మాల్ ఏ ఆన్ క్యాపిటల్ ఏ, వాట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ జనరేటింగ్? ఇది అయిపోయింది.
Yes, ma'am.
ఎస్, రైట్. నెక్స్ట్ ఈ కింద రాస్తున్నామా. నెక్స్ట్ ఇన్పుట్ ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్, నెక్స్ట్ టర్మినల్ ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్ యాజ్ B. B on capital A, what it is generating?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Next, again A on capital A, what it is generating?
A, ma'am.
ఇక్కడ ఏమైనా ఉందా మనకి?
A. Okay.
If you don't have anything means simply you write it like epsilon. If you have any non-terminals, you write it. If you don't have anything means simply you write it like epsilon. Am I clear with this?
Yes, ma'am. Clear, ma'am.
Next, from this simply epsilon comma Z0 will give you Z0 only. This is the final state. అర్థమైందమ్మా నల్లి? ఇంకా కన్ఫ్యూషన్ ఉందా?
Clear, ma'am.
Shall I give one example? Will you do it? Now the example for you is Seema, and one more thing I'll explain. So I think first you construct the PDA. From the PDA you write the transitions. That will be easy for you. Transitions means how can you write this? Delta of Q0 comma this one epsilon comma Z0. What it will give you? It will go to state Q1. What it is producing? Yes, Z0. Next, delta of Q1 comma A and S. What it is producing? Same state. It is producing AA. Next, delta of Q1 comma A on capital A. What it is producing? Simply it is Q1 comma S. Next, delta of Q1 comma B comma A. What it is producing? Simply it is Q1 comma S. Next, delta of Q1 comma A. What it is producing? Q1 comma epsilon. Next, delta of Q1 comma epsilon comma Z0. What it is producing? It is going to final state QF. simply Z naught. Now by seeing this transition diagram, can you tell me, is it deterministic or non-deterministic? What is the difference between deterministic and non-deterministic? Deterministic means it will produce only one state, or it will go to only one state on a single input. But here if you observe AA, same AA, but it is giving first time S, next time it is giving epsilon. By seeing this, can you tell me, is it deterministic or non-deterministic? More than one produced చేస్తే ఏంటిది?
Non-deterministic.
Yes, very good. It is non-deterministic. Now I'll give you one problem. First, you construct the transition diagram. Based on the transition diagram, write all the transitions. S tends to AA or BBA. A tends to AAA or B. B tends to BB or A. Nalini,
Yes, ma'am.
నువ్వే ఆన్సర్ చేయాలి ఈ క్వశ్చన్. చెప్తూ ఉంటే నేను రాస్తాను. Then I can understand that you people are following. Bhargavi, I think you got the point, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Nalini, you tell me.
Ma'am, first converting it into GNF.
Very good. First, it is not in a GNF format. We have to convert. So S tends to AA, which is already in GNF format. Next, S tends to B. B, here we need some capital letter. After the terminal, it may have only the variables or you may not have anything. But you don't have the terminals. That is the condition. So I'm replacing it with X. X is producing some A. Now is it in GNF? GNF, GNF. Next, A tends to small a. In this place of A, after one terminal, we have the only allowable thing is variable. So I'm replacing it with X because already X is producing A, right? AX, A, it is in GNF. A to B, it is in GNF. B to BB, it is in GNF. B to A, it is in GNF. Now you tell me, Nalini, the diagram first you tell me, next based on the diagram, we'll draw the transitions. Chip first.
Q naught on epsilon comma Z naught. S comma Z naught.
Not comma, simply it is XZ naught. SZ naught.
Q1. A AS.
A